At 4:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Laura, or 19 miles northwest of Peoria, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, East Peoria, Morton, Washington, Bartonville, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Germantown Hills, Marquette Heights, Elmwood, Bellevue, Princeville, Dunlap, Ham City,
That's us.
Glenfield, Spring Bay, Bayview Gardens, Laura, and Kickapoo. This includes the following highways. Interstate 155 near mile marker 31. Interstate Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Germantown Hills, Marquette Heights, Elmwood, Bellevue, Princeville, Dunlap, Ham City, Glenfield, Spring Bay, Bayview Gardens, Laura, and Kickapoo. This includes the following highways. Interstate 155 near mile marker 31. Interstate 474 between mile marker 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile marker 68 and 102.